held at the Municipal Gymnasium, Tanawa, Ifugao. Signed, Municipal Mayor Joel B. Bungalo. Representative, Madam Norma Galang, to receive our simple token of appreciation and our plaque of recognition to the late former Mayor Honorable Epifanio Candelario. I believe, dito tayo. And then yung mga ushers, please give us some chairs. Ilagay na dito sa harap. So pag-receive ng break, uupo sila. Then pagkatapos na lahat, nakaporma na sila ready for pictorial para mabilisan na lamang po tayo. So, alright, so our Honorable Mayor Joel Bungalo awarding the plaque of appreciation to the representative of the former Mayor Epifanio Candelario, Mayor from 1934 to 1938. Madam Norma Galani is the granddaughter of the former Mayor Candelario. Next on our list, the representative of the former mayor from 1939 to 1942. May I call on Mr. Sonny D. Apiles to receive our plaque of appreciation to the former mayor Adriano Apiles Sr. Same plaque of appreciation is the representative of the former mayor, Honorable Julio Duntugan. His representative is the grandson, Mr. Alan B. Duntugan. The former mayor, Honorable Julio Duntugan, was the mayor from 1943 to 1945. Of the former mayor from 1945 to 1947, the former mayor Alfredo Appleman. And from October 1947 and December 1947, the former mayor Honorable Dumalis Bukani. To receive our plaque of appreciation, we have here the grandson in the person of Police Colonel Joel Dumar. In 1948, we have a mayor in the person of Honorable Leopoldo Muji. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, we have here the grandson in the person of Mr. Crispin Nangihan. And from 1948 to 1950 was the time of the former mayor, Honorable Otegan Bistol. To receive our plaque of appreciation, we have here the grandson, Mr. Henry Duntugan. Now from 1951 to 1952, the mayor was then Honorable Ricardo Buluhan Sr. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, we do have The handsome guy, Attorney Reginald Butuhan, the legal officer of the PLGU Ifugao. Ladies and gentlemen, 1943-1955, we have the Mayor, Honorable Leopoldo Añas, to be received by Attorney Jason Lopez. And in 1956 to 1966, almost 10 years, our mayor was the Honorable Manuel Tuginay Sr. to receive our plaque of appreciation. May we call on the representative, Mr. Logan Buganin, the grandson of the former mayor. From January 1967 to May 1967, we have a mayor in the person of Honorable Andres Morales. And the representative to receive our plaque of appreciation is the daughter and the granddaughter, Judge Leticia Morales and Mrs. Maria Teresa Morales Plaza. We have a mayor in the person of Honorable Adolfo T. Chulipa Sr. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, we have here the representative Honorable Noel Chulipa, the son. The former mayor, Alipio Montini. To receive our plaque of appreciation, we have here the son, Mr. James Montini. From September 8, 1969 to November 30, 1971, we have a mayor in the person of Honorable Alfredo B. Humiwan Sr. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, we have Mr. Rio Day Humiwan, the son. Then in December 1, 1971 to December 31, 1971, we have a returning mayor in the person of Honorable Manuel Tuginay Sr. And our plaque of appreciation was already received earlier in the person of Mr. Leoben Bugarin. And so to proceed with, from January 2nd, 1972 to 1975, our mayor then was Honorable Ruben D. Bahatan Sr. to be represented by Mrs. Tomasa Bahata, the wife. From 1976 to 1980, our mayor then was Honorable Adriano D. Apilis Jr. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, we have here his brother, Mr. Arnold Apilis. From January 1, 1981 to August 12, 1986, our mayor then was Honorable Benjamin Capelman. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, we do have here the beautiful granddaughter, Miss Stephanie Kappelman. May we call on Benjamin III to receive the plaque of appreciation for the former Mayor, Honorable Benjamin Kappelman. Then after 1986, from August 13, 1986 to November 13, 1987, we have again another returning mayor in the person of Honorable Adriano D. Apilis Jr., who had just received our token, or plaque of appreciation earlier. And on December 1st, 1987 to January 31, 1988, our mayor then was Honorable Alexander Lopez. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, we do have here the better half, Mrs. Felisa Lopez. June 30, 1995, our mayor then was Honorable Abriel Chulipa. And to receive personally our plaque of appreciation, let's give a round of applause to the man himself, Mr. Abriel Chulipa. June 30, 1998, our mayor then was Honorable Tito Candelario. To receive our plaque of appreciation, we do have here Honorable James Ryan Raza, the nephew of the former mayor. July 1st, 1998 to June 30, 2001, our mayor, Honorable John Raymond Wesley Edulawan, who is present to receive our plaque of appreciation. Let's give a round of applause to our former mayor, Dr. John Raymond Wesley Edulawan. Or a representative. We have a returning mayor in the person of Honorable Tito A. Candelario, who have received our plaque of appreciation during his first term as a mayor on August 13, 1986 to November 13, 1987. Thank you so much, former Mayor Tito Candelario. And now, from July 1, 2004 to June 30, 2007, let's call on our provincial governor, Honorable Jerry Dalipo, to receive our simple plaque of appreciation. Honorable Jerry Dalipo is also a returning mayor to the municipality since July 1, 2010 to June 30, 2019. And back in July 1st, 2007 to June 30, 2010, our mayor then is Honorable Lino Machiu. And to receive our plaque of appreciation, the man himself, Honorable former Mayor Lino Machiu. And is now currently the Executive Assistant of the Office of the Mayor, Honorable Joel Bungalo. To June 30, 2022, another returning mayor in the person of Honorable John Raymond Wesley
Lundawan. So our representative already received our act of appreciation. And from July 1, 2022 to 2020, let me count. July 11, our current mayor, Honorable Joel B. Bungalon, to receive our act of appreciation for being the current mayor from July 1, 2022 to 2020. Thank you. Based from the CLUP of the municipality of Banawe. And that ends our highlight for today's occasion.